In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror an image in Canva. Mirroring is a quick way to create a reflection effect, a symmetrical layout, or a fun design twist. And the great news is that Canva makes it really simple. Start by opening the Canva project you're working on. Once you're inside your design, click to select the image you want to mirror. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles around it. With the image selected, right-click and choose Duplicate. This instantly creates a copy directly on your canvas, matching the size and position of the original. If you prefer shortcuts, you can use your usual duplicate command, but the right-click menu is the most straightforward way. Now, align the duplicate with the original exactly where you want the mirror line to be. Think of that mirror line as the hinge between the two images. If you want a side-by-side mirror effect, drag the duplicate so it sits to the left or right edge of the original. If you're going for a top and bottom reflection, position it above or below. Canva's smart guides and snapping will help you line things up cleanly. Zoom in if you need precision, and nudge with your arrow keys for fine adjustments. With the duplicate still selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Flip. Click Flip, and then choose horizontal or vertical. Pick horizontal if your images are aligned side by side and you want the duplicate to mirror across a vertical axis. Choose vertical if your images are stacked and you want the duplicate to mirror across a horizontal axis. The change is instant, and you'll see the duplicate flip to create that mirrored look. If the flip option isn't appearing, double-check that the duplicate image is selected. The flip controls only show when an object is active. After flipping, take a moment to refine your alignment. Bring the edges as close as you like for a seamless mirror, or leave a small gap if that suits your design. You can also adjust the size of both images together by selecting them and dragging a corner, keeping the mirror effect intact. That's all there is to it. Open your project, duplicate the image, align the copy, and flip it horizontally or vertically based on your layout. With a few precise adjustments, you'll have a clean, mirrored image ready to use in social posts, presentations, or any creative project.